In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself using the Loom Chrome extension. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you'll be able to capture everything you need with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get Loom up and running by installing it onto your browser. Open up the Chrome Web Store and search for the Loom extension. Once you find it, just add it to your Chrome browser. It's as simple as clicking Add to Chrome. Now, once installed, you should see the Loom icon, which looks like a red pinwheel, right there in your browser toolbar. Go ahead and give that icon a click. This will prompt you to sign in to your Loom account. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account quickly following their simple instructions. Once you're signed in, it's time to choose your recording mode. If you want to record just yourself without including your screen, you'll select Camera Only, often referred to as Cam Only. This setting is perfect for personal messages, video diaries, or any video where the focus is entirely on you. Alternatively, if your goal is to provide a more detailed presentation or tutorial, select the Screen plus Cam option. This mode records both your screen and yourself via your webcam, allowing you to guide your viewers through a process visually. With your recording mode selected, you're ready to begin your recording adventure. Simply click Start Recording. Don't worry if you need a moment to collect your thoughts, as there will be a brief countdown giving you a few seconds to prepare yourself. It's the perfect time to adjust your camera or get those last-minute thoughts in order before the camera starts rolling. During your recording, you'll notice a small camera bubble showing your webcam feed. This helps you stay aware of what your viewers will see. If you're using cam-only mode, rest assured, only your webcam will be captured. In the toolbar, you'll find options to pause or stop the recording. Plus, you can switch between modes if necessary, so you retain flexibility throughout your session. When you're ready to wrap things up, the stop button is just a click away. Ending your session is as simple as pressing the green check mark. Once you do, Loom will automatically upload your video to your personal Loom library. Handy, right? Even better, Loom copies a shareable link to your clipboard so you can distribute your video effortlessly via email, social media, or any platform you choose. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to help you record using Loom's Chrome extension, complete with visual options that let you tailor your recording to your exact needs. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.